Welcome. In this video, I'd like to show you how to install indicators from stock scripts. Some may also refer to them as studies. So when you purchase an indicator from stock scripts, you'll receive a zip file with the code as well as the instructions. So here we have an example zip file. The first thing we're going to do is extract the contents of the file. Open the folder and open the indicator file. And here we have all of the code. So what we're going to do is copy the code and then go to ThinkScript. And we will go to the Charts tab in thinkorswim. In the Charts tab, you'll want to select this icon where we can edit studies. We're going to create a new study. Make sure that the ThinkScript editor tab is selected, and we're going to remove the code that's here and paste our code from stock scripts. So at the top, we have the title of the script. We have this code which makes the indicator display at the bottom of the chart. And then just below that, we have user inputs. So here, for example, we have start time, and you can change that. Just make sure that whatever start time you choose is followed by a semicolon. Otherwise, the code won't work. So I'll show you an example. If we remove the semicolon, you'll see that the code turns red, which means that um, the code is not going to work. So you will want to make sure that each of your variables is followed by a semicolon. So in this example, the user inputs we have are start time and price choice. Just make sure that you read the comments above it so that you understand what kind of inputs to expect. Just below the user inputs, we have the stock scripts code, which you shouldn't change because you could greatly change the way that the code works. So the code down here, do not touch. Lastly, we are going to name our indicator. So in this example, we'll call it example indicator. And then we'll save it by hitting the OK button. So now we're back in the Edit Studies tab, and we have the example indicator here. We'll hit Apply, and we'll hit OK. And you can see now we have this example indicator showing up on our charts. And that's how you install indicators from stock scripts.